Welcome to yet another episode of web scraping workshop using WebHarvy. In this video, we will see how WebHarvy can be configured to extract reviews from TripAdvisor website. So I have loaded the TripAdvisor website within WebHarvy, and in this page, when I scroll down, I can see the reviews written by various users for the attraction for this web page is built for. So there are multiple reviews and multiple pages of reviews, and let's create a WebHarvy configuration so that we can extract the review details for multiple pages as well as for multiple attractions. So let's start the configuration, and before we select data, we can see that not all reviews are completely expanded. So for example, in this case, there is a more link at the end of the review text, clicking which it will be expanded so that the complete review text is visible. So we need to click all these more links first before we start selecting text so that we get the entire review text. So there are two ways to do this. The simple way is to click on this more link and to select the click option from the resulting capture window, and WebHarvy will automatically click on the subsequent more links and all the items will be expanded. But we are following a more robust approach. In this example, we are using a JavaScript code to automatically click on all these links and to expand them. So to run that code, you need to click anywhere on the page and select the run script option from the resulting capture window and paste the code. You can find this code in the video description below. You need not write this on your own. You can just copy and use it. So when I click apply, you can see that all the more links are automatically clicked and expanded. Now we can start with selecting the text which we need to extract. So for the first review, it is recommended that you select the entire review row, click on it, and using the mouse you can select the reviewer name. So let me give the reviewer name as a field and click the OK button. You can see that WebHarvy has automatically identified the remaining items and have filled them in the preview below. Now let's proceed to extract additional details like a review title, which you can directly click and extract, and the review text itself, which also can be directly clicked and selected. And then we can select when this review was written. So let me click on the date, apply more, capture more content once, and then select capture HTML. And here I am using a regular expression string, which you can again find in the video description below, to extract just the date from this portion. So I click on the apply RegEx button here, paste the code which would select only the date, and select it. Now let's try to select the rating. The rating is not displayed as text, so it should be extracted from the HTML source again of this page. You can click on this portion here, select capture HTML and apply the regex, and this is the regex code which will get the rating number. So this actually means 4.0. So rating. Now if I scroll down to the bottom of the page, I can see that there are various pages of listings. So I click on the next link and set it as the next page link from the resulting capture window so that WebHarvy knows how to capture these details from multiple pages of listings. Now let's see how we can extend this configuration so that multiple attractions can be scraped using this single configuration. So right now the configuration just scraps reviews for this URL which is loaded here, but we can add additional URLs to this configuration so that all of them will be extracted using the same method. For that, you need to go to the configuration tab and click on the URLs button under edit pane, and in this window you can add additional URLs to this configuration. So I have copied the additional URLs which needs to be added and I paste them here. You can see that they all are in the same format as this initial URL. So I click the apply button, and now I can stop the configuration. I can also optionally save it, but I now choose to click the start mine button to start mining data using this configuration. So WebHarvy will try to extract the review details from multiple pages for the first attraction for which is configured, and after it completes that, it will proceed to the additional URLs. So the extracted data, as always, can be exported to an SQL database, or it can be saved as a file. You can also schedule this configuration so that it runs periodically at multiple times. And for all the multiple features and additional configuration techniques, you can refer to our website and also to other videos in this series, as well as our tutorial series.